Happy fall, the most perfect time of the year. Coziest stuffed blankets, crisp evening strolls, and warm drinks that fill the soul with happiness. With the changing of the season, it is always a good idea to take extra care of your skin. Thus, we made this face wash with light exfoliation that will leave your skin happy and hydrated. Plus, it's scented with our warm vanilla sugar. So, how do you do it? Let's get to it.
I'm a stranger, here to win, here to sin. Oh, hey, gonna make it. Game is on, I can't go wrong. I may just seem to play it cool. I may just rewrite all the rules. Money maker, so but never tell. I heard a rumor. Money maker, watch me cast a spell. Rumor, money maker, gotta pay to play. I heard a rumor, I'm a taker, going all the way. Rumor. Hey, hit the table, here to stay, no repay. Hey, feeling playful, never fold, stay on your toes. I may just seem to play it cool. I may just rewrite all the rules. Money maker, so but never tell. I heard a rumor. Money maker, watch me cast a spell. Rumor, money maker, gotta pay to play. I heard a rumor, I'm a taker, going all the way. Rumor. I heard a rumor. I heard a rumor. Rumor. Money maker, so but never tell. I heard a rumor. Money maker, watch me cast a spell. Rumor. Money maker, gotta pay to play. I heard a rumor, I'm a taker, going all the way. Rumor. I heard a rumor.
Simply apply a few dots across your face and using your fingertips, massage the face wash into the skin in circular motions. Then rinse off with warmer water and pat dry. Be sure to give this DIY a like below and we will see you next time.